Hello fellow gardeners, this is Paul, and thanks for checking out Aeonium haworthii, the Pinwheel Aeonium, and ours is in bloom as you can see. Really stunning petite little blossoms. It's native to the Canary Islands, and these flowers occur in the late spring, and they'll rise up to 2 feet above the plant itself, as you can see. It's down there. So just stunning flowers. You can see I have another one that hasn't quite opened up yet, and they look very interesting right before they open. So open or closed, it's just a beautiful, what they call a death bloom, because the branch here will die. You have to prune it off. Not the whole plant, but this part will die. So you gotta prune it off when it's done. Now the leaves here are really beautiful rosettes. They're petite. I think they get about 3 to 4 inches, maybe 5 across. And if they get more sun, they'll have a bit more red on the margins. You can see there's a little bit of red here, but not much, because this one's under the shade of a Chinese windmill palm. So it's a bit more green in the shade, as you can see. So if you wanted to get a different color, you just give it more sunlight and you'll have definitely more red on the margins. It's really stunning. Now this plant stays small compared to other aeoniums. This is one of the petite varieties in my opinion. And you can see why. I mean, it just doesn't get much bigger than this. So it's great for indoors. So you can grow it in pots. It doesn't need that much sunlight. It's just all around great succulent to grow. I like to grow mine in the native soil, which it does quite well in. It just needs to have well-draining soil, and I don't give it much water at all. You can see it has some aerial roots that it will grow down here as well. See them? It's just a really easy to grow, carefree plant. Oh, here's one with more red on the margins I was telling you about. See it? So there you go, Aeonium haworthii, hardy down to 25 degrees. It's a great, stunning plant, especially when it's in bloom. And as long as you don't overwater it, it's gonna be really happy and treat you well. So there you go, give us a like and a subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have yourself a great day. Take care.